Hi students, this is Professor Blevins, and I wanted to give you some insight on our upcoming technology management class on cloud and big data for the winter quarter 2021, in case you're thinking signing up for it. We'll be meeting on Monday nights from 7 to 10 Pacific time. That's 10 to 1 on the East Coast, and of course the following morning should you be logging in from China, India, or any of the Asia Pacific region countries. And I've had students in all of those regions in my recent classes, and it worked out timing-wise really well. We're only going to meet 5 times during the winter quarter, so we're going to have 2 classes per session that we meet, starting on January the 11th. Then we'll take a break on that Monday night following, which is going to be the MLK holiday, meet for 3 more times, and then take a break for the President's Day holiday, and then we'll come back for our final class on February the 22nd, which should be just in time for you to be able to finish out this class and then concentrate on your traditional 10-week quarter classes that will happen soon after that. Now, the great thing about this is we've got some good learnings from the remote versions of this, and one of the big things that I've got out of that is the ability for you to work in a team on 2 case studies in teams of 3 versus 5. I found it's a lot easier for students to get together when there's only 3, especially in a remote format. So the majority of the class grade is going to be on your effort. Part of that's going to be on your class participation and engagement that you do online, as well as a simulation that we do on the last time that we meet that'll give you a chance to actually work with some large data sets and get your hands on some big data and see how you do in a real-world scenario. And it's been really good for the students that have done it already. They've really given great feedback, so I hope you're going to enjoy this simulation. It's one that I really enjoy myself. We're going to finish out the class with a final paper. I don't have any tests in this class, but about 10 days after the final time we meet, I'll ask you to turn in a paper on a subject that is relevant to you and your industry that relates to cloud and big data and how it might be affected in that area. And I'm pretty flexible on the subjects that you can bring forward, but I do ask you to clear them with me in advance. I also bring in some great guest speakers, including ones from Amazon Web Services, Microsoft's Azure platform, as well as the Google Cloud platform, and a vice president from Bain who runs their analytics division. So it's always been really good and engaging to have that. So if you're thinking about signing up for the class, I look forward to welcoming you to it. And if you have any questions, just let me know.